We're going to practice kicking for ready position. Ready, Freddie? Hands up. So, right leg up, out, in, and down. That's all we're going to do. It's hard to do it slow, so we're going to do it fast now. Ready? Right leg. Up and out, in and down. Okay. Come right back. Make sure you go before class next time. Left leg. Up and out, in and down. Okay? Count it with you. Right leg. Itchy. And down. Knee. And down. Keep the hands up. Sun. And down. Sheep. And down. I'm your mirror. Okay, so in your right leg, I'm going to do left, so I'm like your mirror. So look in the mirror. Try and copy me. Right leg. Go. Roku. Chi-chi. Achi. A little higher. Coop. And Kai. Alright, I want you to put one foot on the color. Right foot steps back off the color.
Like this?
Yes. Do a couple more kicks. So switch feet, Caroline. Here you go. Hands up. We're going to kick with the back foot. Can you stand up, Allie? There
Like
you go.
this?
Yes. Hands up. Put your hands up. Allie?
Did I miss anything?
Can you stand up?
No. Just stay it on your color. Like this. Wow.
There you go. Put your right foot back. Step back a little bit. There you go. Hands up. All right, here we go. The back leg. You can't kick with the front leg. You don't have good balance. Back leg. Tap on that back leg. That leg is kicking. Watch me now. Up and out. Ready? Itchy. Good job. Knee. Good. Hands up. Sun. Sheep. Last one. Carry. Go. Jump up to speed. Hey. Back leg. Tap on it. Ready? Switch feet. Left leg. Okay, back leg kicking. We're going to do 5 good ones. As high as you can, but not too high. You don't want to fall. Hands up. Always keep your hands up. Ready? Itchy. Knee. Now lift your knee high, Spencer. Sun. Lift your knee and then kick. She lifts. And then kick. Go. There you go. And step up. Ready position. Feet together. And right. Good job. Have a seat. I'm going to give you your